In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access on Google Drive. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you need to share a document or a file, but you're unsure how to do it securely and effectively, then this guide is for you. So let's dive straight in. First, what you need to do is open Google Drive on your computer. You can do this by heading over to drive.google.com and logging in with your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. The interface might look a bit overwhelming if you're new to it, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. Now, let's say you have a particular file or folder that you want to share. Simply navigate through your drive to locate the item you're interested in. Once you've found it, right-click on the file or folder. If you're using a touch screen, you might tap and hold instead. This will bring up a menu with a list of options. From this menu, you're going to select the Share option. This action opens a share window where you can start managing who has access to the file. At this point, you should see a box labeled Add People and Groups. Click on it and enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share the file with. Make sure the email addresses are correct before moving on. Otherwise, your file may end up with the wrong people. Next, you have the option to choose the level of access you'd like to grant. Click on the drop-down menu beside the email addresses you've just entered. Here, you have three choices: Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Choosing Viewer grants the minimal access where they can only view the document. Commenter allows them to view and leave comments, while Editor gives them full permissions to edit the document. Make sure to select the appropriate one based on what you want them to do with the file. Once satisfied with your selection, take a moment to review everything. Double-check the email addresses and access permissions. After confirming everything is set up as desired, go ahead and click on the Send button. When you do this, Google Drive will send a notification email to each of the recipients, letting them know they now have access to the shared file or folder. Sharing files via Google Drive is a secure and efficient way to collaborate with others. It's crucial to maintain control over who has access by regularly revisiting the shared settings for your files, especially if the project's nature changes or teammates move on to other projects. And there you have it. You're all set to share files confidently on Google Drive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy sharing.